Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Saucy in the kitchen, who wanna eat? Nana, she the chef, y'all wanna meet. You wanna meet her. Quickie meals you can all enjoy at home. I can sense that you hungry, you are not alone. Like, share, and subscribe, don't hold your breath. Stop what you doing, it's Nana the Saucy Chef.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Today we're going to be making homemade beef rice. The ingredients that we're going to need today are 3 cups of beef broth, 2 tablespoons of butter, 1 cup of thin spaghetti, and you want to break it into pieces, 1 cup of long grain white rice, 1/2 teaspoon of Italian seasoning, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/2 teaspoon of parsley flakes, and 1/8 of a teaspoon of black pepper. In a heated pot over medium heat, I'm going to add in my 2 tablespoons of butter, and we're going to let that melt. After our butter has melted, we're going to add in a cup of spaghetti and also our cup of rice. And we're going to let that cook for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, you can begin to add in your beef broth. Go ahead and stir it. Now we're going to add in our garlic powder, our Italian seasoning, and also our black pepper. You want to mix it until it's well combined, and we're going to let it come to a light boil. Once it comes to a light boil, you want to go ahead and put your lid on, and we're going to lower our heat to low. And you're going to let it simmer for 15 to 20 minutes. Guys, as your rice is cooking, you want to go in every now and then and stir it. Okay guys, it's been 20 minutes and our rice is now done. Now that our rice is done, I'm just going to put a little bit of my parsley flakes over top for color. Okay guys, so here we have it, our homemade beef rice. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef. Y'all hungry yet?